Good boy. Be good. What you think, Roscoe? You're drooling. That's so bad. He's drooling, but at least he's not biting. Good boy. Look what Roscoe found in the woods. Pretty little blue jay. Yep. Good job. Good job. That's the first time I've gotten him to stand up. Roscoe quit.
Red, ain't it, there, dog?
Roscoe. Roscoe. God, I don't know if I like it. I think I'm gonna put it back if it keeps screaming like that, you know? I'm just saying.